Okay, people, you want to slow down your bird seed, keep the squirrels out, just sprinkle this, layer it, use that cayenne super hot, or something even worse. It's not going to hurt the squirrels, it's going to slow them down. And we made this whole big giant bag of bird seed last us more than a month now by just feeding the birds like we're supposed to. So this is where we are. You can see we have quite a few feeders. This stops them though. You can buy it already pre-made, but why not do it yourself a lot cheaper?